Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have a couple of front grille options for the 2020 and up Polaris Slingshot. So both our front teeth grille and our customizable honeycomb grille have been very popular sellers for the 2015 to 2019 model Slingshots. And as you know, Polaris changed up a few things on the 2020 Slingshot, including relocating the hood release latch from here to here underneath the front fascia, making the 2015 to 2019 front grills incompatible with the 2020 and up model Slingshots. So to address this issue, we partnered up with a team over at Tufskinz to bring you guys both the teeth grill and our customizable honeycomb grill for the 2020 and up Slingshot models. These 2020 grills have a notch at the top of each grill to allow the hood release latch to articulate when you lift it to pop open your hood. Now, both of these grills are manufactured from ABS plastic and offer a color-matched UV-coated Tufskinz material to match your Slingshot's color profile. And while the teeth grill is offered in several different color options, the honeycomb grill can be fully customized at Slingmods.com by utilizing our online builder, allowing for both color selection as well as up to 9 personalized text characters for your unique and custom look. Both of these Tufskinz grill options install exactly the same way, so follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Start by taking a T25 Torx and unscrewing these 2 screws on the back side of your stock grill. Then use a 1/8 Allen and 3/8 wrench to unscrew this nut and bolt, holding your hood release lever up. Making sure to grab these 2 white plastic spacers so they don't fall. And then slide the grill over to the driver's side and pull it straight back and down at an angle so that the hood release lever can slide out. Now you can slide the new grill up the same way, pushing the hood release lever through the opening in the grill and onto the tabs, this time sliding it over to the passenger side to lock it in place. Next, you can reassemble the hood release latch by sliding those 2 white plastic spacers on first. Then slide the bolt through and tighten it down with the nut, making sure not to over tighten. And then finally, you can screw those 2 T25 Torx screws back in to hold the grill in place. And as you can see, upgrading to either our teeth grill or customizable honeycomb grill will offer a bold visual statement in comparison to stock. Now, if a customizable Slingshot grill is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.